What are you doing?
Oh, just measuring this painting so we can get it framed.
With your phone?
Yeah, there's a measuring app.
There's no way that's accurate. Let me get measuring tape.
It's pretty accurate. No, seriously, babe. All you have to do is place 2 points and you can measure something. Look, it's 12 inches. And if you have a 4-sided shape like this, it even frames it for you. And it gives you the area as well. Just tap on the center and you get it in square feet and meters squared.
Alright, I found it. I mean, if you're using it for stuff like this, I guess it's pretty accurate.